into engiyibonayo madoda uJesu noma ngathi uyabuya into azoyibuyela nje uJesu bafethu one ukuzobloma la emhlabeni ayitholele icherry yakhe abe nemeli nabantwana lapho uJesu angabuya manje usazobuyela nina futhi around lokashumayeli nonsense ye
Shumayeli nonsense is crazy, bro.
uzobuya nimkokotele akhohlwani madoda.
Damn, he actually has a point, dog. Imagine Jesus comes back and he has an address. Yo, bro, I'm waking up, bro, like midnight, bro. Like, yo, Jesus, bro, like, yo, I need this job, bro. You better help me pray. We need to send these prayers to God, bro. Imagine the line that would be there, bro. Like, for real, he's chopping, he's cooking, bro.
naye umntana omuntu phela ubuzwele ubuhlungu ipikira ayidlale baba ungathi nawe ukhalisa ishasha nepimples what about ispikira
I shares it, bro. I shares it, bro. Khalisa ishashaza ipimpule
ijuluka igazi very strong angeke ujuluka igazi wena bekungasijoku la ngibhlungu